Okay, so I'm going to take you through a quick example of the bottom layer. So I've solved my bottom cross. I'm going to solve the bottom layer. So I'm looking for any piece that is three colored and has a white face. So for example, this one here, white, orange, blue, and we look at it, and is this piece surrounded by the colors that it needs? This is a yes, because look, blue is right there and orange is right there. So this piece is surrounded by the correct colors. Because it's surrounded, we have this to the right. So following that piece, take a look. It's to my right now. Here it is. And then we repeat that algorithm that we're looking for. R, U, R prime, U prime. It's still there. We repeat it again. R, U, R prime, U prime. Now it's matching. So let's move on to the next color we're looking for. Rotating. Let's look for any piece that's white and is a corner. So if you take a look, let's take a look at this one, and you'll see why in a moment. You'll see why I ignored these two for now. This one here, if you take a look, it's surrounded by the colors that it needs. White, red, blue. White, red, and blue. Once that piece is where it needs to be, we have it to our right, and we repeat that algorithm again and again. R, U, R prime, U prime. There's that piece again. Let me do it one more time. R, U, R prime, U prime. And there we have it. So now rotating once again, searching for any piece that has a white corner. So if you take a look there, this one here is white, red, and green, but it's not surrounded by what we need. This is green and orange. So this piece is not where it should be. Likewise, this one here, white, green, and orange is not surrounded by the correct colors. So we'll just pick, just focusing on one. Let's say I need this one to be in the top or the up layer. So to do that, remember, we have that piece to its right, and we repeat the algorithm, this time not again and again, because that is not where it should be. So this piece, having it to our right, there it is, following that piece, doing our algorithm, R, U, R prime, U prime. There it is now. Now that it's in the top layer, we turn and follow it. There it is. Turn and rotate the cube to follow it. Turn, rotate and follow. Now, the reason why I stopped here, I know I wasn't saying anything for this, but now we want to make sure that this white, green, orange is matching its surrounding colors. Green and orange. Those two colors match that piece. White, orange, and green. We have that piece to the right. So this is now our front, and we have that piece there to our right. Now from here, we repeat that algorithm again and again. R, U, R prime. Following it, this time we've only had to do it once, so we're fortunate in that one. So rotating the cube, but keeping white down, yellow top, yellow up, sorry. Keep looking for a white piece. There we go. This one here is white, green, and red. That piece is already surrounded by the colors that we need. Red is here, and green is here. So it's exactly where we need it to be. We have that piece to the right of where we need, and then from here we repeat the algorithm again and again. R, U, R prime, U prime, R, U, R prime, U prime. Following that piece, R, U, R prime, U prime. And there we have it. Now if you take a look, this cube, the bottom layer is completely solved. And so I hope that gave you an insight into solving the bottom layer. Hope to see you in the next video where we do the middle layer. Hope to see you then. Best of luck.